This is a short recording to use the software called Sound Recording. The first thing you need to do is get your microphone. Make sure that your microphone end has this size of an attachment to go on it. Look at the size again. You can buy them at Radio Shack. Your mic will look like this. You buy this extra attachment, put it together. Come down, camera. You look here. There will be microphone setting and headphone setting. You're going to stick it in the microphone setting. That's your first step. Number 2, you're going to push start. Go to your sound recorder application. If it's not there, you need to download it. Okay. Then you're going to push or click start recording. Today we will talk about Sally Walker. Then you're going to press stop recording when you're done recording. Then you're going to name your character, which this character's name will be Melissa 1. Then you're going to press enter. You're going to go back to your start button, go to documents, and check for Melissa. And there she is. Today we will talk about Sally Walker. And that's how you do it.